Hello, in this video, I'm going to explain phoneme segmentation fluency. Phonemes are the small units of sound that we have in English. Each letter or combination of letters has a sound. A generally says a or a. A letter like T says t. The phoneme for T is t. So when we do phoneme segmentation fluency with students, this is an auditory practice. The student does not see any words in print. The teacher is only giving oral directions. So the teacher might say, as fast as they can, this is a 1-minute timed assessment, the teacher will give the student a word like go. The child is required to produce the phonemes or units of sound in go separately. So the teacher will say, okay, your first word is go. And the student has to say g-o. The next word might be the word run. And the student has to produce the sound n. That is done for 1 minute. As quickly as the student can produce the sounds, the teacher will give them their next word. For phoneme segmentation fluency, this is given in grades kindergarten and first grade. The reason for that is that phonemes are the units of sound that we put together. And there's something in our brain called the phonological processor. And so, where do reading issues begin? They actually begin not with a vision issue, but with a sound issue. That's where dyslexia starts. Dyslexia is a language-based disability. It is nothing about flipping letters or reversals. It's a different issue. So, we work on this in kindergarten and first grade quite a bit because if we build a strong phonological processor, it stops that tiny little pebble from growing into a big giant snowball of issues for students later on. In kindergarten, students need to produce 44 of those units of sound in 1 minute. And by the end of students in first grade, they need to be able to produce only 45 units of sound in 1 minute. I know that sounds silly to give one more unit of sound, but those are the benchmarks. Then we know students can produce and segment the sounds fast enough so that that phonological processor in the brain is very, very strong. That is phoneme segmentation fluency.